Pod mane kaunti ma Kisumu en kamiti mochung' ne weche mag omenda od bura mamalo osingo kawo ondamo mager ahinya ne kembe ma bibro ni koro tiyo marach to kod omenda mag dongruoge ka gitiyo kod pesa no hiyono makare. Kane olose boma ma Kisumu e kinde rango dongruoge ma bende timo to kod omenda kata e bwo chenro mano mar piny owacho. Jaod bura mar Arieda mano migosi Otiende Amolo mano jaod bura mar Arieda olero ni nitiere kembe moko 15 ma gisefwenyo ni ok otiyo maber kod omenda go kendo koro gibiro chano mar kawo chik ne joma kamago.
To inspect several projects. We're inspecting projects in Kisumu, in Siaya, in Nyamira County, then we go to Vihiga, we go to Kakamega, and we proceed all the way to Lolwe. And these are projects that have audit queries. Specifically this morning, we were examining the issue of the children's department, land in Kombewa, which is occupied by the children's department, but they do not have title. And it's been an audit query for 12 years. So we specifically had a meeting with Madam Josephine Ouko, the county commissioner, and officers from the children's department to explain to us why that has not been possible. We have settled, and we've spoken to the chair of the National Land Commission, we've spoken to the representative of the National Land Commission in Kisumu, and we've also spoken to the speaker of the county of Kisumu. And we've agreed that the National Land Commission will do a letter tomorrow requesting the county assembly to give a no objection. And we'll follow up with the speaker so that they give that no objection. Thereafter, the representative of the National Land Commission will do a letter to the national office, and I've also spoken to the chair of the National Land Commission, and all of them have assured us that they will fast track this process. We are committed to making sure that this audit query that has been on for 12 years will be settled in less than 1 month.